articles. We know that there are three articles in English language: a, and, the. What are articles? An article comes before a noun, so they come before nouns. It gives more information about a noun by indicating whether the noun is specific or general. So they tell us whether the noun is more specific or general. So a and an are used for general nouns. That is, when we are not specifying the noun. Let us see what is the used for. Over here we have a book is lying on the table. It says a book is lying on the table, which has two meanings. One is one book. So there is just one book which is lying on the table. Second is any book. So it is any book, not a specific or a particular book. It could be any book. We are not concerned about what the book is. It is any book. So a book is lying on the table. We are not specifying which book it is. A book is lying on the table. It could be any book. But if I say the book you want is available in the market, over here article the has a different meaning altogether. It means that the specific book. So the refers to specific nouns. In this case, the refers to the noun book. So it is talking about a specific book. Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. It is talking about a specific book. The book you want is available in the market. So the specific book you want. It is not just any book. We are talking about Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. We are not talking about Hansel and Gretel or Goldilocks or any other book. We are talking about Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. So a particular or a specific book. So the is used for specific nouns. Is available in the market. So we have the once again. So once again it means we are talking about a specific market. Not just any market. It is not available in all the markets or any market. It is available in a specific market. That is the market. Put off the light before you leave. So once again we have the light. The is referring to light. So we are talking about a specific light. There is a specific light which is on and which you want to put off before you leave. So put off the light before you leave, not put off any light. You want a specific light to be off. So once again it talks about a specific or particular light. So the is used for specific nouns. It can be used for singular as well as plural nouns. The child broke the toy which was new. The child, it means it is referring to a particular child, not a child. If I say a child, it could mean any child, but over here I am talking about the child. That is a specific child or a particular child, not any child. Broke the toy which was new. So there was one toy which was new and the child broke that toy. So the child broke that particular toy which was new or that specific toy which was new. So we have the toy. One of the girls fell down while playing. So now, as we said, the is used for both singular as well as plural nouns. Over here, girls is plural. So unlike a and an, the can be used for plural nouns as well. A and an are always used for singular nouns, but the can be used for singular as well as plural nouns. The refers to girls. One of the girls fell down while playing. So the girls who were playing, one of them fell down. So we are talking about a specific set of girls. So some girls were playing and we are referring to those girls. So one of the girls fell down while playing. So one of them fell down while playing. He is leaving for New York the day after tomorrow. So can we use a here? Well, he is leaving for New York a day after tomorrow. Is it any day? No, it is a specific day. Day after tomorrow. So if today is Tuesday, day after tomorrow will be Thursday. It is a specific and a particular day, not any day. So once again, we are referring to a specific day. That is why we use the and not a. He is leaving for New York the day after tomorrow. Now let us see another use of the. This is a library. There are many books in the library. So you might be confused. Over here I am using a and there I am using the. But the noun is the same. It is library. Well, when I am referring to the library for the first time, I use a. This is a library. So I am talking about this library and there are many books in the library. Now when I am referring to the library, I am referring to this particular library. That is, I talk about the library first. When I talk about the library for the second time, it means I am referring to the same library, that specific or particular library. So I use the here. So whenever we refer to a noun for the second time, we always use the before it, because we are specifying that it is the same noun that we have used in the first place. So a library means any library, but now we are specifying that in that particular library there are many books. I have a ball. The ball is red in color. So I have a ball. Means I have a ball. Any ball. It could be any ball. But when I am talking about the ball for the second time, means I am referring to this particular ball, not some other ball. So the ball is red in color. That is, that particular ball which I have is red in color. So I am specifying, I am pinpointing towards a ball. So the ball is red in color. I saw a parrot. The parrot was eating a guava. So I saw a parrot means any parrot. I am not specifying the parrot here, but when I am referring to the parrot for the second time, I am saying that I am talking about the same parrot which I saw. The parrot was eating a guava means that specific parrot or that particular parrot which I saw. The parrot which I saw was eating a guava. So I am referring to the same parrot. So when I refer to something for the second time, I use the to indicate that it is the same thing I am talking about, or that specific or particular person, thing, animal or object I am talking about. So we have learned these articles. Now a and an, they are used when we are not talking about anything specific or particular, whereas article the is used for specifying or specific nouns. Another difference, a and an are always used for singular nouns, whereas the is used for singular as well as plural nouns. So a and an are used when we are not talking about anything specific. We are talking in general. And the is used when we are talking about something in specific or something in particular. So these are the three articles in English language, a and the. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.